How much should you actually spend on a car buffer polisher? It's tricky because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. The truth is, price doesn't always mean better quality. Product number 1, Albin Car Buffer Polisher. First up is the Albin Car Buffer Polisher. This 6-inch dual-action polisher caught my eye with its affordable price of $44.99 and a solid 4.5-star rating from over 1,800 reviews. If you want a reliable polisher that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a powerful 700W motor and 6 adjustable speeds, ranging from 1,000 to 4,500 revolutions per minute, you can customize the performance based on your needs, whether that's waxing, polishing, or even sanding. The random orbital motion is designed to eliminate swirl marks, ensuring your car's paint stays pristine. Plus, it comes with 4 buffing pads to tackle various surfaces, making it a multi-purpose tool for cars, boats, and more. Now, some people complained about the machine stopping if too much pressure is applied on lower speeds. Here's the thing though, this is a safety feature to prevent damage to the polisher. If you find yourself needing more power, just switch to a higher speed and you'll be back in action. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on performance. Skip this one if you need a professional-grade machine that can handle heavy-duty tasks. For $44.99, you're getting great value. Now, if the Albin's limitations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its premium features. Product number 2, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Next, let's talk about Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Priced at $13.97, this product stands out as a bestseller with over 10,000 reviews and a 4.4-star rating. If you want to remove scratches while also adding a glossy finish, this is definitely worth your attention. Here's why this matters for you. Meguiar's formula is designed to buff out imperfections like scratches, swirls, and oxidation. The micro-abrasive technology works effectively by restoring your car's paint to a showroom shine in just minutes. What's great is that it's safe for clear coats, so you can use it without worrying about hazing. Out of thousands of users, many rave about the fast results, making it a go-to for quick fixes. However, some users noted it may require more elbow grease than expected for tougher scratches. But here's the thing. If you're looking for quick, effective results without the need for a heavy machine, this product lets you tackle imperfections easily by hand or with a polisher. This is perfect for you if you want to give your car a quick touch-up without investing in equipment. Skip this one if you're looking for a full polishing kit. At under $14, it's a steal for the results it delivers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more comprehensive solution. Product number 3, Carpet and Scratch Repair Kit. The third product is the Carpet and Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover Kit. At $21.97 and boasting a 3.9-star rating from nearly 49,000 reviews, this kit is a favorite among DIY car enthusiasts. If you want an easy-to-use solution to restore your car's finish, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you. This kit comes with a specially formulated compound that not only removes scratches and swirls, but also revives the gloss and shine of your car's paint. It's designed for all paint types, meaning you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Plus, it includes a buffer pad for a hassle-free application, making it accessible even for beginners. Some users found that it may not tackle deep scratches effectively. But here's the thing. For light imperfections, this product works wonders and can save you a trip to the detailer. If you have minor scratches, you'll likely be impressed with the results. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward solution to refresh your car's appearance. Skip this one if you're dealing with severe damage that needs professional intervention. For $21.97, it's a great value for quick repairs. Now, if you're seeking a more powerful option, the next product could meet your needs. Product number 4, Lithopi Buffer Polisher. Coming in at number 4 is the Lithopi Buffer Polisher. Priced at $53.99, this 7-inch rotary polisher has earned a 4.2-star rating from over 3,000 reviews. If you need a powerful tool for serious detailing, This one's definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. With a robust 1600W motor and 7 adjustable speed from 1,000 to 3,500 revolutions per minute, it's built for efficiency and flexibility. You can switch between different pads designed for various tasks, whether you're polishing, waxing, or sanding. The detachable handle also allows you to find a comfortable grip, which is crucial during extended use. However, some users mention that it can be a bit heavy, especially during long sessions. But here's the thing, the power and performance it offers generally outweigh the weight issue, making it ideal for those ready to tackle heavy-duty jobs. This is perfect for you if you're serious about car detailing and want something that can handle tough tasks. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter, more compact option. At $53.99, it's a solid investment for dedicated users. Now, if the weight of the Thopy is a concern, the final product on our list offers a lightweight alternative that still packs a punch. Product number 5, cordless car buffer polisher. Last but not least, we have the cordless car buffer polisher kit from Avreet. Priced at $49.99 and rated 4.3 stars with over 1,100 reviews, this one caught my attention for its convenience. If you need portability without sacrificing power, this could be the one for you. Here's why this matters for you. It features a powerful 300W motor capable of reaching up to 6,000 revolutions per minute, and with its cordless design, you can use it anywhere without the hassle of cords. This kit comes with multiple speed settings and a range of pads to tackle various surfaces, making it versatile for cars, boats, and furniture. Some users mentioned that it can be less powerful than corded options, especially for heavy-duty tasks. But here's the thing. If you're looking for a practical, user-friendly tool without being tied down by cords, this polisher is ideal for light to moderate detailing. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, portable option for car detailing. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty power for tough jobs. For $49.99, it's a great balance of convenience and performance. So there you have it, the Albin for budget-friendly performance, Miguiars for quick touch-ups, Carfident for easy repairs, Thopy for serious detailing, and Avreet for portability. Each has its strengths based on what you're looking for. Choose the one that best fits your needs and get ready to bring that shine back to your car.